Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to speak about fractions. What are fractions? How do we work with fractions? And how can we identify fractions? So the big question is, what are fractions? A fraction has two parts. The number on the top of the line is called a numerator. It tells us how many equal parts of the whole or collection are there. As we've discussed the number on the top, which is a numerator, now we're discussing the number on the bottom of the line. The number on below the line is called the denominator. It shows the total divisible number of equal parts, the whole into, or the total numbers of equal parts which are in the collection. These are the following fractions. Let's discuss them one by one. As you can have a look at the first one, it says this is identified as one whole because it is not divided into equal parts. Therefore, it will remain one whole. The second one will be identified as an half, which means that if we have a full circle or a pizza, for example, which is cut in half, so we have two equal parts. The third one is classified as a third because in this scenario, the circle or a pizza is cut up into three equal parts. The fourth one is classified as a quarter or 1/4, which will identify that the circle or a pizza is cut into four equal parts. The fifth one is identified as a fifth, which, for example, in this scenario, as a pizza, the pizza is cut into 5 equal parts. Sixth, as you can see, that this form is cut up into 6 equal parts. Seventh is identified as 7 equal parts. Eighth is identified as 8 equal parts, 1/8. Ninth is identified as 9 equal parts, which is classified as 1/9. And the last one that we have is a tenth, which is cut up in equal parts in 10 equal parts. This circle is representing as one whole. This circle is identified as 2 equal parts, which is classified as a half. This circle is identified as a quarter, which is classified as 4 equal parts. The next circle that we have is colored in 3 parts and one that is not colored, which means that this is identified as 3/4 or 3/4. Let's look at the following picture. This picture is a pizza. This pizza is sliced up in 6 equal parts, which means that this is also 6 equal fractions. John ate a slice. This leaves 5 out of 6 slices left. John eats 2 more slices. This leaves 3 out of 6 slices left. This means there are 1/2 of a pizza left. The following picture is classified as a watermelon, which is cut up into 4 equal parts. John ate a piece. This leaves 3 out of 4 pieces left. John ate one more slice. This leaves 2 out of 4 slices left, which means that there is only 1/2 of the watermelon left. The following picture that we have here is a lemon, which is sliced up in 8 equal parts. Let's look at what the fraction is. If we take 2 away, it will be 6/8. 6/8. If we take another 2 away, it will be 4/8, or 4/8, as shown on the screen. As you can see on this screen, these are fractions that are unequal because the parts of equally sliced is not the same. So therefore, we would call these ones unequal fractions. Let's look at the following fractions, where the numerator is 1. And what do we call these fractions? First one is 1/2. This means that there are 2 equal parts. The second one is 1/3. This means that there are 3 equal parts. The third one is 1/4. This means that there are 4 equal parts. Let's look at the last one. It says 1/5. This means that this is cut up into 5 equal parts. Thank you very much for your time, students. I wish you learned a lot from these fractions, and I wish they can help you in your future. Stay strong, stay safe, and be happy. Bye.